This is all again
Mixed fruit.
Yeah. Okay. You know your mother get old, so she have a chapter in mind now.
Yes.
I'm getting old, Tommy.
Yes,
Can
yes.
you believe it?
Yes. Hey!
Welcome back to my channel, my lovely peeps. I'm here in the kitchen again today.
Alright, so what you making?
I will be making a sorrel fruit cake.
Alright, nice, nice. So tell me, Mom, what's the ingredients?
Well, the ingredients here, I have some sorrel. I have 2 sticks of butter, a cup of mixed fruit. I have vanilla, almond, and I also have some food coloring because this sorrel is not that red, so I want to, make the color look more vibrant. Okay, so I have 5 eggs, lemon zest, nutmeg, allspice, and cinnamon. I have 2 cups of flour, and I have a cup and a half of sugar.
Nice, nice.
So here I'm gonna kind of like, steam the sorrel, not really let it cook too much, but steam it a little bit.
Like boil it?
Yeah, so I am going over to the stove now to put this in.
Alright. So you see she filled it with just a little bit of water to cover the bottom of the pot.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put 2 sticks.
The cinnamon sticks.
I'm gonna put 2 pieces of ginger, and I'm gonna go in with my sorrel petals. Alright, so let me turn the stove on. And as soon as it starts boiling, I'm just gonna take it off and just put it down to cool for a bit. Alright, so I'm gonna also put 2 tablespoons of sugar in this because I'm gonna need some of it to make the topping.
Make it sweet.
Yes. So here, you see this sorrel start draw already? It start turning red, so I'm just gonna draw it and then turn it off and leave it there
To cool.
to cool down.
Alright.
That will take maybe about another hour and a half to really cool.
Okay.
So I can start making the cake. Alright, so here I'm gonna put all my dry seasoning together. So that's the allspice, that's the cinnamon.
The dry ingredients she meant.
Yeah, and the
ingredient.
nutmeg. Alright. So I'm just gonna mix that in. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave that there until the other rest of the ingredient is ready.
Alright.
Alright, so the sorrel just started. So now I'm gonna just take it off the stove and just leave it there because you just wanna dry it, not really boil it.
Okay.
And just leave it there to cool down. Alright, I'm gonna cream.
She's gonna mix the butter and the sugar together.
So I'm gonna put it in this mixer here. If you have an handheld mixer, you can also use that one too. If you don't have a big one like this. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my sugar. Alright. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the eggs.
And wait, before you do that, just so you guys know that when you see the mixture, it's supposed to look when you see the mixture, it's supposed to look like this, okay? Yes. Before so
I can taste it. It's creamy. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the eggs. I'm gonna put a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna put 2 eggs first. And then I'm gonna
mix
in. So I'm gonna put another egg in. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with the lemon zest, and this is to cut the rawness from the eggs. Just push it down.
So guys, you hear that? Just keep pushing down, because you want to make sure everything gets mixed.
Mixed, yes. Alright. I'm gonna pour off some of the juice.
Do the juice from the sorrel.
Yeah, because I want this juice to make the topping. So I'm gonna pour some in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna leave that aside. Alright, so now I'm gonna put my sorrel.
Oh guys, we have it's like a ninja bullet, so that's why we're using it. You can just use if you don't have a small one, just use a blender. So she took out the cinnamon sticks. You take out the ginger too, or you keep it in there?
Take them out.
Oh, so you remove. So you just remove the ginger and you remove the cinnamon sticks.
Just want to puree it.
The sorrel.
Sorrel, yes. I'm gonna puree this sorrel now. All right. So
now she's going in with the mixed one. Now she's gonna mix. Yeah, the mixed fruit.
Yeah. All right, I'm combining all my ingredients together now.
So see, she already poured out the butter mixture.
Now I'm gonna go ahead with my
mixed fruit.
Blended mixed fruit.
And it just consists of cherries and raisins and
all of that good stuff.
Yeah, soaked in like wine and things like that. Yeah. She's gonna go in a tablespoon of vanilla. Now she's going in with almond extract.
I'm gonna go in with my flour.
Yeah, and it's already sifted, so she decided to sift the flour.
And this is self-rising flour.
Yes. All the ingredients will be in the description.
Yeah, so I had my final mixture here, and this is what it looked like. And because this sorrel is not really red, so it's not red enough.
You're gonna add some, yeah.
So I'm just gonna add some red food coloring in there because I want my cake to be vibrant
and bright and red. Yes.
Yes. Let's see if that's red enough. And if it's not, then I'll put some more. Still not red enough, I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Yeah, that's good enough, Mom. It looks good. Nice and pink.
When we were kids, we would just lick our finger, lick out the pad.
Yes.
Let that in. Okay, so right now.
And we already buttered it. Like, just make sure you grease your pan with some butter.
And if they want, they could put paper in there too.
Like parchment paper. Let's do that so it can level.
All right. So I'm getting ready now to put my cake in. So I'm putting some water down here, and that will help to keep the cake moist. So when it's baked, it's not dry. So I'm gonna put it in at 275 for 1 hour. Let's check. Oh, it's not baked as yet.
Yeah.
Then I put it back for about another half an hour.
All right.
So put it back.
There you have it, guys. Sorrel fruit cake. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. It will be greatly appreciated, and we will see you in the next video. All right. Now it's time to taste the cake, so I'm gonna cut it. Oh, look at that color. Look how rich it looks. Nice color. The texture is nice. All right, so it does, Mom, right? All right, so I'm gonna take the first bite. Let me try it. So good, so good.